Hello, my name is Masoud and I'm from Iran, and I studied MBA with AI at Cardiff University. So MBA with AI helped me to get familiar with the multiple aspects of management and work challenges and leadership, and also AI. So I get familiar with the latest innovations and conversations about AI management and work challenges in this program. It was very helpful for me. The block method education was very interesting. We were focusing on one subject per month and completing it with the concentration. So it wasn't something like coming into the class in the morning, in the afternoon, different subjects. For a month, we were focusing on one subject and finishing it, which was very interesting and very helpful. The most enjoyable thing was that how everything was up to date and the latest version of everything. Every lecture, every conversation, every theory was the latest conversation in the field. As a part of my MBA with AI program, I did an accelerated project with a client from London that was aligned with my field of expertise and knowledge in pharma industry, and it was a very valuable experience, and I'm very thankful for Cardiff University for finding this client for me. If I want to summarize my MBA with AI experience, I can say that it was very energizing for me.